Probably not my best idea, but the size of the hail that was coming out of them storms last night, I figured some protection would be better than no protection. So yeah, I parked my vehicles under this cedar bush, and I sort of strapped it together to kind of prevent it from beating on the vehicles if we got high winds. But man, they was showing grapefruit size and baseball size hail coming out of them storms last night. And go figure the kids go park under a mesquite tree. But yeah, I figured sun protection, maybe slow them baseballs down before they get to the windshields. I don't know if it would have worked or not, but we got pea-sized hail out of it, so yeah. And I'm trying to follow this bee swarm. You can hear them. I don't know where they're going, but yeah. Hopefully they ain't going in my shop. There they are. Big swarm. Stay out of my shop. I think I'm gonna go to the house a minute. They seem to be staying out of the shop for right now. I'll close my door. Looks like they're going into that bush. Wow. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to deal with bees again. I sealed up my water meter so they can't get into there. Yeah, I think they're gonna take residence in that bush for a little while. There's a bunch of them. Yeah, it's been about 10 minutes. I walked down, checked the mail. They're still hanging out. I don't see as many of them. They're probably gonna have a ball up in there. So yeah. Oh, I see them. Oh, let me go get my other camera so I can zoom. This camera's a little jerky, but I took a couple pictures with it. Yeah, hopefully they move on in a couple days. See how close they